candidate, female candidate number 1 from grade 7.
Magandang gabi sa ating lahat. Isang malamig na gabi pala. Narito sa inyong harapan ang representante mula sa Departamento ng Nangangain ng Salitang Ugat. Ako nga pala si Mary Jane P. Sumuang mula sa Filipino Department. Sorry.
Take two.
Okay. Ulitin, sorry. Tao lamang nagkakamali rin. Narito sa inyong harapan ang representante ng ikapitong baitang, ang mga guro ng mga matatag.
Our contestant number 2 from grade 8. Lambat man ngayon. You have to show faces. Beautiful. No ugly allowed. Are you ready?
Hello, good evening po. Yes, good evening everybody. I'm Bernadette Van Odias, representing the grade 8 level. I believe.
Ikaw yung operate mo ng katorong ada. Kuya, chat-chat na lang kita. Our third female contestant is from grade 9 level. No one ugly allowed. Palakpakan na yun dyan! Are you ready? Here we go.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Jasmine Lagarto Ortega, 24, 3 years ago. Representing the ever bold, courageous, and determined grade 9 level.
This time, let's meet our female candidate number 4 from grade 10. Halapat ko ikaw yun.
Responsive. Pagkaniyan, nga. Okay. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. From the family of very kitsy, very mindful, very demure. My name is Nikki Rose Quintana Obispo, representing the grade 10. Music.
In finally, to complete our first set of female candidates. And finally, to complete. Nag-iisip man ka mo. Nakakaintindi ko pa kanina pa nila. Hindi nagsunan ako. Again, and finally, to complete our first set of female candidates, candidate number 5 from Senior High School Department.
Magingay Senior High School Department. Good evening, everyone. I am Sheena Ira E. Molina, 27, representing the Ever Solid Senior High School Department. I believe that each of us are capable of doing change. Kaya, husay at dangan. Thank you.
Wow! I believe everyone is capable of making change. Let's proceed, changing to male category. Let's see, candidate number 1 from grade 7.
Maupay nga gabi, magusayay. Ngan gwapuhay nga mga maestro ngan maestran Sagkan National High School. Naatubang ina yung nga gabi, John sa Queen 29, tika ngan mga maestro ngan ang mga maestra, han mga magdigon, in Tagalog, matatag. Representing grade 7.
Butosing. Our next candidate, candidate number 2 from grade 8 level.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Hindi niyo po natatanong ako nung nawawalang pa rin era. Marami na akong pinagdaanan. Dumaan ako sa quarry. Dumaan ako sa yung team. Lahat sila tumba. Ginamitan ko lang sila nito. Kung sino pang gustong matumba, halika dito sa labas.
Thank you so much, candidate number 2. Let's proceed. Ang nawawalang kapatid ni Sotero Sultan, candidate number 3 from grade 9. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am John Marco Magadan, napiritan para lang grade 9. And now, let's meet our fourth male candidate from grade 10 level. Good evening, everyone. My name is Gary Niero, representing grade 10 level. Mag-iiwan po ako ng isang kasabihan. That AKAP is real. And now, to finally complete our set of male candidates, transitioning from Miss Gay SNHS to Mr. SNHS from the Senior High School Department. Bayang tiba sino? Wow!
Maupay nga gabi haaton nga tanan. Guwapo, mabusag, kwartahan, mahamot, matangos ang ilong. Wala po ako niyan. Ako nga po pala si Ginoong Melvin C. Sermonet. My age is 1994. At naniniwala ako sa kasabihan, ang hindi magmahal sa sariling wika ay walang jowa dahil hindi nakakapagsalita. Okay. Congratulations everyone and enjoy the night. Thank you. Sige.
Tignan na MC Melvin. And there you